So I'm a great believer in and defender of interdisciplinary working. But I think interdisciplinary work is hard and hard won. I think to do good interdisciplinary work, you have to start from a strong disciplinary base. You have to have competence in your area of the subject so that you can bring what you know to the discussions with your colleagues in other disciplines. And you rely on them also to be good guides to what matters to their area of expertise. They will tell you what are the key questions, what are the key findings, what are the methods we use to pursue. Now, when you do significant interdisciplinary work, and it's because there's a topic that you're all interested in and you realize we'll need many people to address this. We might need a biologist, we might need a neuroscientist, we might need a philosopher, we might need a theologian, we might need all sorts of people. And when we have those discussions at first, they're very difficult because first of all, you show common interest in the topic, and then you start to be confused by one another's language, and you realize that you're describing the same things very differently, or you're using the same words and meaning different things by them. What's meant by reward or decision or even emotion or value in neuroscience might be very different from what moral philosophers mean when they use those terms. So you have to work through the translation issues. And then after that, there's another stage which I think of as conflict, where people start saying, no, you're not asking the right questions. These are the important questions. This is what we should be addressing. Then eventually, when you're forced to defend your reason for thinking that and say why, you take the foundational stand you do and maybe even examine it and realize it's not going to be the only perspective. Then I think you get genuine collaboration. And then something emerges that couldn't have happened by any of the disciplines on their own. You get something that's greater than the sum of the parts, and you get an added value by having a way in which together you've been able to produce new insights and a new research agenda that wasn't there before.